Just be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We work here every day, you know?
Okay.
It's about halfway through there.
Yeah. If you want to go deeper, then you change the power. Then
Yeah.
that's as I show you.
Can you answer me this other question?
Mm-hmm.
So let's say we want as much
Okay.
penetration as possible. Can we set these apart?
Yeah.
And then we'll go down through there?
Yeah, we can. Let's do it.
You want to see the other side?
Yeah. Okay.
He's tightly.
Sorry.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
I mean, that's 14 gauge, so it's pretty thick.
Yeah. If you want to go through, just have
Turn it
more
up.
power. We have more power.
You can go all the way up to 100%, yeah? Probably not a good idea for the laser.
Yeah. No. Normally 90% is you can go, but not 100%.
No, 100%, yeah.
Yeah. For a long time you use it now.
Where is he right now? Which percent?
50. He has it at 50.
It's 50.
And you can slow down the speed, too.
Yeah.
But I mean, as far as what we're going to weld something on a piece of 14 gauge with a TIG
Come
weld,
on.
tight,
Try it.
homogeneous, even with a small, you're not going to get that, do you?
Yeah, you can try now. I'll show you. You want this part or
That part, fine.
just be
Just
careful?
do some streamers first, yeah, get a feel for it.
Yeah. It's good. Don't pull the trigger now.
You got it.
It will hurt people. Yeah. Come. Just come over. I'll show you. You left hand or your right
No,
hand?
Right hand.
Okay. Put here, 45 angle. And then pull the trigger. Touch the material. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That?
Yeah. Pull the trigger.
You pushing your hand?
Fucking easy.
Yeah, fucking easy. Yeah. You see, you don't need even learn it.
Yeah.
Fucking easy.
Let me try.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna try that.
Yeah. Just be careful. Just be careful.
Well, should have clamped that down.
Yeah. It happens. Let me. It's
You
fine.
want to clip it?
Yeah, it's okay. Let me do this. Just be careful. Okay. There we go. Let me hold the gun for you.
Hold the gun.
Yeah.
So I don't drop it on you.
Yeah. I think this gap is okay. Yeah. Yeah, be
Kept
careful.
going there at the end.
That's good.
Oh yeah, it went down in where it was separated. Can you do a T joint?
Yeah, you can try. You can try by yourself. You should.
Keep going until it's.
Yeah, keep going. Don't stop. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah. Here.
It's okay. Are you sure it's the first time to use a laser welder?
Yeah. Yeah.
But,
you
you-
say that to all the guys.
Yeah, but you weld it very well. Very white.
White, yeah.
It means our parameter is good for this thickness material.
Go. Try it again.
Come on, try.
I gotta go answer the phone that's calling you. Sorry.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. Let me hold the gun. Yeah, correct. You learn the skill how to cut the wire. Yeah, it's good. Very nice. Yeah. It's so white. See? Better than better. So you are a welder. Okay.
I am here.
You want to try others or? This one is two things. Let me change the power. Maybe to 50 to 30. Okay. Okay, here we go. Wow, it's
Undercut, yeah.
yeah, but it's good. But you say
That one's
this part, yeah, just this part. Ah, nice. It's quite easy for you.
It's really light though.
Yeah, yeah, because some welders they just hold it, not good. It gets stuck. If you don't hold, it's perfect. Yeah,
Really nice.
very nice. Just, yeah, it's okay.
It's a water brush.
Nice. Wow.
That was good.
Yeah, it's perfect for this part. So white. Yeah, so white. Yeah,
Cool, man.
yeah, good. You like it?
Yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah, Brandon, we buy?
Why you like to
Just
buy stuff?
yeah,
that's for
yeah,
sure.
yeah, just kidding. Yeah, yeah. Here we can say that. I will just send quotation to him. Yeah, you can just go here then to cutting the well also. Yeah, it's perfect. Still perfect. Maybe too much power. See the color is not that white. Yeah,
Very good penetrated though.
yeah,
See?
I think so.
Yeah.
You mean hold the gun? Yeah, the color is good. If you think it's too deep color, then you can change maybe from 50 to 40.
40?
Yeah, yeah, maybe.
I like the color.
Yeah, maybe you can try on the same position. Let's see 40 output, 40 power. Okay. Okay. I think it can be better. It can be wider.
I wanna cut it.
Yeah, let me cut this for you. Where's why you stop?
Oh, cause I just wanna like tack it. You can, huh?
Yeah, you can. You can tack it. But tack you got to have some skills. The red light should be in the weld, then it will stop.
Okay.
It will cut the weld.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're not skillful enough for the deck, then you can use you can stop the weld. If you have a lot of spot welding, you can stop the weld fitting.
Okay.
If a spot, then you can start the weld fitting again.
And so how do you do that?
Here I'll show you. Here there is a weld. You can stop. If you stop that,
Yeah.
there'll be only laser.
Okay.
If there's only laser, then the
And
weld.
it'll just do autogenous.
Yes.
It'll just heat the material.
Yes.
Can we see that?
Yes.
Because that would be very important for us in what we do.
Yes. Now stop. Right now, the weld feeder will not work, so you gotta control the gun by yourself. Okay?
You can tack.
Yeah, you can tag.
That's hot. Okay.
You control the weld
Tack.
by yourself. Yeah.
It should be autogenous, yeah? It's
Yeah.
just
You
nothing
can you
but
can
basic.
you can do anything you want.
Does it work?
Yeah, it's work.
You're just no.
Sorry, I didn't cut the. Let me cut this part. Okay, here we go.
I'll try autogenous right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Could you just weld this autogenous?
Yes, you can
Try
try that.
autogenous.
You can control speed by your own, by yourself.
Yeah.
Go,
Don't
go.
fill it.
Too slow. You can go faster. It's very thin.
Go faster.
You go faster. Because it's very thin.
Should be very hot. Yeah.
Yeah. Because I use 50% power, so you can go faster.
Yeah.
You see?
Mm.
Yeah. Good? Yeah.
Cool, man.
He's the best welder who used a laser welder at the first time.
Yeah.
Best one.
Good.
Yeah. Really.
He moved.
Yeah, you hit this piece of wire.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Huh. And what's the lead time on getting equipment?
10 days.